All right. The goal was to leave at 4:30 today, and it is 4:41. So to us, that is right on schedule. And it's currently raining, and we're heading to the. Where are we going?
Sunny Las Vegas.
Woohoo! But first, we're going to Bellingham, so that's where the airport is. So.
Yeah.
All right. Wish us luck.
Later.
Just made it through the border. Boom, we're in Washington State. We're heading to, first we're going to the Silver Reef Casino because he's got $30 free play to use. So we're going to try our luck there first, and then we're heading to the Bellingham International Airport. And flight is taking off at 8:10, and we're on our way.
3 hours away.
Alright, so we're here at the Bellingham Airport. Our flight is taking off at 8:10. We're boarding at 7:40. And yeah, so now we're just chilling, waiting. And yeah, the plan so far for today is just to get to the hotel and hope for early check-in and eat food because I'm starving. So we might actually eat here. There's a little Scotty Brown's here at the airport. So we'll see how that goes.
And go Canucks go.
Go Canucks go. Oh, that's right. I made dinner reservations tonight at right in the middle of game 6 of the Canucks game. So maybe that's a lucky thing. Maybe it's not. I don't know. We'll see.
We'll find out.
We'll find out. That's good. The Red Bull? Alright, here we are in a Marquis Suite at New York. Already dumped all our stuff off, so ignore all the stuff everywhere, but got the big jacuzzi tub. This side got the view of the strip. And nice little view on this side as well. Okay, so we started with our $850 free play, and then we got the $25 My Konami free play with My Vegas. We're sitting here trying to pop these things, and now used up, I don't know, I had to $140 something for our free play already, and we've made $42 off of it. So I don't know. I think we're gonna stop here once we're at our $700 free play left, and we're heading over to Primrose for lunch. This is a big kick in the balls. Oh, there we go. Oh, our reservation's ready. Okay, so we hit this bonus and we still have $696 free play left. So not bad. Okay, we're going all the way for 50,000.
I think it's just one.
That's pretty decent. Got ourselves tequila sunrise, and look, he's in heaven. Look how excited he is with all this. Okay, so now I'm having a. Oh, I was about to suck the little thing. Oh my god, no. A lemon drop martini. What do you think? Good?
All right.
Oh, that was good. That ricotta? What do you think?
Smooth. Real smooth.
Okay, so Vegas day one is done. We got up at 4:40. No, we left the house at 4:40. We had an 8:10 flight out of Bellingham, Washington. So no lineup at the border, nice and easy. The only sort of slowdown in our flight was delayed like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes because people bringing giant carry-ons that like would not get into the overhead, so they had to like gate check in. We got to New York at 11:45, nice and early. They let us check in. We got into our suite here at the nice view of the Strip. Then we headed over to Primrose for brunch. That was lovely. It was good. We started off playing there with our $875 free play. We have, for this trip, we had $875. We have 800 resort credits, food and beverage.
So yeah, we did some good winning there. We blew all the free play there.
Sure did.
But we made some money off of it, so that was good. So that money that we made on it, plus our budget that we started with the day, lasted us the whole day. We kept going, so that was fun. We then gambled at MGM for a bit. That was good. No crazy wins, but some good wins.
Like $100 ones.
Yeah, nothing crazy. We had some good wins at New York tonight though, or last night, where we, the genie machine was so good. And then right back down. But you know, that's how it goes. The drinks were flowing, so you know, we got a bunch of free drinks, and they were very attentive on attentive serving us, and that was great. What else did we do? I guess, and then we're in bed by
home in 10:30.
10:30. Nice and early.
Yeah.
So we can start our day nice and early. Not really. It's actually 10:30 right now. I was up earlier, you know, on my phone and stuff. But now we are heading down to Chin Chin for the breakfast brunch buffet thing that they have. So we love that. It's easy.
Bottom of the elevator.
Right at the bottom of the elevator, right there. So there's that. And then the pool. We're doing pool today. So that'll be fun. And then the goal is to get to Vanderpump Paris for goat cheese balls. we just started watching the show last few months. Totally hooked. Want to try them. Yes, get a fancy drink. And then, yes, then tonight we made dinner reservations at Blue Ribbon at Cosmo. I've never been, so excited to try that. Love trying new restaurants when we're here. So it's always the goal. Plus we got the money to spend there. We would never spend that money otherwise at a restaurant.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that's day one. Recap day two, possible what's gonna happen with day two. So
Shenanigans.
So yeah.